Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
You will have your chance, Guido. You will have your chance.
Guido, it's
The lightning comes down to the metal and stops so it doesn't hit you instead. Is lightning really...
your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
I see something that I don't like. I gotta say it.
boy, we ain't as dumb as you think we are.
But how did you...
Get her done!
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that piggy truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Two, Cal? No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Get them back, Cal.
Need is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my tent.
Apa warna favorit versi dia? Segar, hijau.
Hey, McQueen, that must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it because I didn't do it.
All spectators, clear the starting line.
Man,
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Me, young man, you're blocking my view. Could you please step aside?
Sure.
racers. Except for Cal. Guys, I'm still right here.
Team Dynaco, crew.
Mama ain't seen you that low in years.
I haven't seen a road like this in...
Act civilized. We got...
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Thanks, man.
It was McQueen's idea. He felt HUD would have wanted you to have it.
I love it.
Give it up, McMissile.
Turn right to the left.
That doesn't make any sense.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven acá.
Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Fast River, Fast Lou, even Junior.
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. Y fuera.
Stop that! You're taking me off my line!
Pass left. Come on.
Yeah!
Still working on that. And the best fitness regimen anyone could possibly imagine.
Wait.
No way.
Yes, why? It all started when one day...
Francesco understands, McQueen.
Oh, great. Here it comes. What do you got, Francesco?